You see this chord as a one chord in the key of C, and most beginners play it like ballroom, no flavor, no sauce, no emotion. But today I'll show you 3 beautiful gospel versions of the one that will make your worship playing instantly sound better, even if you're a complete beginner. If you want to sound better, emotional, and full without learning 1000 chords, please stick with me. After this video, your one chord will never sound the same. You can instantly apply what I'll be teaching you today, this Sunday, in your own worship session. So let's begin. The one chord shows up in almost every worship song. Every worship song, Waymaker, that's your one chord. Almost every song, Amazing Grace, you see, one chord. I'm playing the basic version for you to hear. Now, if your one chord sounds beautiful, your entire playing sounds also beautiful. So let's fix it together. I'm giving you 3 easy versions, no stress, no music theory. Just take it and apply it. And the third one, that's the one most church pianists use without telling you. So stay with me till the end. Chord number 1, the soft worship one chord. So in the key of C, you have one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Right. And that's your one chord. Now listen to these versions in Amazing Grace. This is a normal one. Now let's listen to the other version. Okay, now let's apply it. Okay. Did you see it? So the first chord number 1 substitute is this chord. That's your C sus2. You can substitute this version of chord number 1 with your normal block C major. Hear the difference. Normal 1. Okay. Now chord number 2. Chord number 2 is also a very nice, clean chord. This is how it sounds like. Okay, now let's apply it. As there, dear. Then that's your one chord. Okay, as beautiful and as simple as that. On your left hand, you can play this chord here, but I know most of you are beginners, so you just play the power chord on your left hand like that. Alright, chord number 3 also sounds like this. Like this. Alright, now let's apply this version in a song. I'll give myself away. So that's a chord, the one chord. That's it. And the beautiful thing about this chord is that it also works with other chords. Okay, you can hear I'm playing the 1, this over the 1. It also works for the 5. It works for the 6. You see, it also works for the 4. Okay. Then let's go back to our 1. So let's quickly recap. So your beautiful 1 chords are version number 1, this, version number 2, version number 3. All right. So the 1 chord sounds like this. This is your 1. Okay. Right. This is what we are going to play. The chords on my right hand, if I should break it apart, you would find the C major and you'd also get G major. Right. This chord actually sounds very, very nice. Wow. So how do you apply it? Well, you can substitute this very chord anywhere you would play your normal 1. Five. You get that? So that's your 1 chord number 1. Okay. Now, I would want you to take all these chords I have taught you and apply it to the other keys. So for instance, this chord number 1. The best way for you to transfer these chords to the other keys is using the number system. So my right hand here tells me that in the key of C, I'll be playing my 2, I'll be playing my 5, and I'll be playing my 1. Okay? And my left hand, I'll be playing my 1, 5, and 1. So if I should go to another key like C sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll be playing my words 2, my 5, and my 1, 1, 5, 1. Okay, applied. All right. Now then the other chord, which is this chord in the key of C. My right hand is what? 2, 5, 7, 3. 2, 5, 7, 3. So in the key of C sharp is what? 2, 5, 7, 3. So that gives me this. Do you see? Now, if you'd want to learn how to master all 12 keys, I have a video on it, so click here to watch it now. If you enjoyed this lesson, you would love the next lesson. 3 beautiful gospel chords for the chord number 2. It will make your progression sound even more fuller and smoother. So please subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss it when I upload it.